Are you in search of a way to connect your iPhone to your new-to-you Mercedes SLK class? From the early 2000s does not come with Bluetooth connection. That's because iPhone wasn't available back then. But your SLK is still a pretty decent car, come with a pretty decent factory stereo. There's no aux connection. There's no other way to get your iPhone to play or to stream music through that SLK radio. And who listens to radios and CDs nowadays anyway? So if you're in search of a way to connect your iPhone music to play on your SLK factory radio, do not replace the SLK radio. Your SLK radio may seem to be easy and cheap to replace, but it is not. Your SLK from early 2000, the factory units, it's actually a fiber optic unit. So it will not be able, the Best Buy or radio from Amazon will not cut it. The reason for that is because the fiber optic system will require a different setup. You will have to replace all the wirings, including the speakers and everything, if you wish to replace the radio. So it will be a bad idea to replace the SLK factory radio, the Mercedes SLK class radio, if you just want to swap it out. Keep the factory radio of all things, if possible, because that will keep the resale value. When you try to replace the SLK factory radio, if you don't know what you're doing, you may just kill the car, because everything is all tied up together electronically. So if you cut one wire off at your SLK, you may just end up killing the car. So whatever you do, do not replace the radio. Keep the factory radio if possible. I have an easier and better solution for you. The Gizmo Guy Gadget. Gizmo Guy Gadget is designed specifically for this reason. You can plug in my Gizmo Guy Gadget to your iPhone and you'll be able to listen to all your music from your iPhone right through your Mercedes factory radio system without static, and you'll sound just like CD. It doesn't matter if you have navigational system or not, or simply just the Bose system. All you got to do is plug in my device onto your iPhone and you will be able to enjoy all your music loud and clear with CD quality sound. Let me show you how.
2000 Mercedes Benz C-Class doesn't work off those cheap eBay Bluetooth connectors. Gizmo Guy's a Bluetooth connector which works on all European cars, and it definitely works on our one. Very easy to connect. We've got an Android and a Apple phone, and it connects on both of them, works very well on both. The sound is as good as anything through the radios. We're very happy with it. So that's playing there now. The sound is quite good.
But generally speaking,
and you don't want to spend hundreds of dollars replacing your radio, this gadget is an ultimate alternative. No static, nothing. Nice and clear, crisp. You guys, real-time review. Happy with the product.
Everything works great. Everything is crystal clear. And I can't say enough about this product.
So this device truly does the job. I can play Pandora, everything. I've driven around town. No problems with any static whatsoever.
Thank you for coming out with this product. I love it. I recommend it to anybody. So please do yourself a favor. Try it. It really works. All right, guys. I love it, man. God bless you all. Buy the product and enjoy it. Have a good one. Bye.